This is Steve Lessa from the parts department here at Vermeer North Atlantic, and today we're joined by Chris Root. He is the underground specialist here at Vermeer North Atlantic, and his position is dedicated to demonstration, training, and overall support of all of our Vermeer HDD products. He's also able to help out with job planning, what sort of tooling you're going to need for your job, and what the best drill fluid mix you're going to need is. So a huge benefit to buying Vermeer is that you get to have this man on speed dial. Thanks for talking with us today, Chris.
No problem. Thank you, Steve.
So today we are talking about the R250C drill fluid reclaimer. What is this thing?
Well, the R250C is a drill fluid reclaimer. It really is a modular system to reclaim drill fluid on different industries, from HDD to well drilling to caisson construction.
And what is it? So what does it exactly do?
What it does is reclaims the drill fluid we use coming out of the ground and separates the solids from that so we can reuse it. Really helpful when you're pumping high volumes of drill fluid or want to maintain high downhole GPM.
So there's a lot going on with this thing. How's it all work together?
Well, we'll start with the power plant, the generator. We wire and mount a 100 kilowatt diesel generator. Portable generator is available with an easy color-coded wiring, and non-trailer option is also available. So let's start with the pit pump. The pit pump is basically an electrically driven, submersible, abrasive resistant pump. We lower this and suspend it into the returns pit. It pumps the return fluid up into the reclaimer. From the pit pump, the returns are introduced to the shaker through the mud box. The mud box catches large debris from the returns and decelerates the returns, and also spreads them evenly over the shaker screens. The returns go onto the lower deck of screens, where the first part of the separation process happens, separating the solids from the fluids. The partially clean fluids then drop into the scalped or dirty tank. The partially cleaned scalped fluid is pumped out of the tank and through the hydrocyclone manifold, where finer solids are removed by the hydrocyclone and dropped onto the upper deck. Clean fluid goes into the clean tank, and solids get the final separation process on the upper deck. The solids on the screens are conveyed off by a balanced elliptical motion and drop off the screens through the chute mounted conveniently at the rear, so we keep our footprint narrow.
So there are other reclaimers out there. If you take us through a couple of the features that make ours different.
Sure. Let's start with the control station. This is a marine grade CAN bus control station, which also has a wireless remote that mirrors all the controls on here. We move on to the hydrocyclone manifold, engineered to reduce turbulence and vacuum brakes, featuring 8 5-inch Harrisburg style hydrocyclones capable of processing 520 gallons per minute. We have a collapsible canopy to keep you out of the weather, a conveniently mounted and removable mud testing station that is close to our bentonite hopper, and also the spigot to take clean mud samples. The R250C has a one-sided working connection. Gives you one-side access to all your motors, pumps, plumbing, and valving. Built-in pressure washer system for end-of-shift cleanup. We also feature a built-in staircase. No ladders on this one. Allows you to get up and down safely. What gives us our big operating area up top is this collapsible catwalk. Also on this side, we feature 2 large cleanouts for the scalp tank and the clean tank for end-of-job maintenance. It also features a large swing gate, so you can easily load pallets of bentonite. So on our trailer mount, we have 4 corner jacks for leveling and quick deployment with built-in levels.
So, Chris, who out there would benefit from using this kind of machine?
Any contractor, drilling contractor, pumping large amounts of drill fluid would benefit on reclaiming that. In HDD, once you start to create a 12-inch diameter hole or larger, the economics really favor using a reclaimer. Out there's also challenges on dumping spoils. So if that is not cost effective to haul away your spoils, or you might have limited water or access to fresh water, that's when a reclaimer comes into use. But it really reduces costs and increases productivity.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you again for showing us all that.
Quite welcome.
Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about anything that Chris walked us through on that machine, as always, feel free to leave a comment down below. There's also going to be a link in the description above this video. You can click that and send us an email, or you can give us a call at the phone number on the screen. Till next week, Steve Lessa from the Parts Department here at Vermeer North Atlantic. Thanks for watching.